this rock has 3 stages. One for getting quite high and getting into orbit. This one for transferring and carry on getting into orbit. And this is for slowing down. Ready to enter Mars' atmosphere. And here's our little pod. And it has a parachute. And we don't need landing legs because we're not coming back. So let's start. So as you can see, it has lifted off. So now it's over. You can see if I go too close, you can just see the engines. You can see the engines squirting. We are now pitching 20 degrees and soon we are going to be pitching 75 degrees so our trajectory can achieve orbit. To get into orbit, we need to go very fast. But if we go fast in the atmosphere, then you'll burn up. That is why we have to go over the atmosphere so that we don't burn up when we are going faster. The atmosphere is 30 kilometers high, so you have to go above 30 kilometers. That is why the atmosphere starts. We are now at about 13 kilometers high, but there's a way to go until we get to orbit. Let's finish getting into orbit. Wait, look. I stopped in time. Oh no, don't transfer. Transfer this fuel back. Put it up again. Okay, let's go. Let's come up to our top point, which is our upper axis, and burn. Yay! As you can see, we're now burning to orbit. That says we no longer need it. The center is getting us into orbit. Oh, we're in an orbit. But we need the other side to be above the atmosphere. We want our axis to be over 30. Getting higher and yeah! Okay, so now let's get to Mars. So we want Earth to be in this spot. This be a time about. So the Earth is revolving around the sun or orbiting. Doing the same thing. So we are time warping to the transfer window. Burn. So now we are burning. Where are we going? Our orbit is elliptical now. It's not circular like that capsule asteroid one. And soon we are going to be leaving Earth forever. Getting closer. We are in a highly elliptical orbit. Now at Mars. Yes, quick save. No. Okay, end navigation. We don't need it anymore. Okay, so just want to barely get close to Mars atmosphere, but we don't want to be hitting it. Yeah, probably like that. Let's time warp. We are at Earth, and now we are gone. Now we are time warping, and we are gonna get Earth. Okay, to our 46 kilometers. But go into a high elliptical orbit and then we're good. Okay. We're in an orbit. An elliptical orbit. Let's do circular. And now. So now we're going to break off. We don't need that anymore. Oh, crap. Oh, I did my thing. My answer is not. Okay, we're in the atmosphere. Any more break? I think more break. Oh no, those fingers are breakers! Oh! Okay. Yay! That's acceleration. I don't like this. I don't want to be like this. Straight down. We can break up our heat shield. Or we can land. And get nowhere. We're in the middle of nowhere. So there you go. And we will need to, and the astronauts are stranded on Mars, so we will have to send a rescue mission to take them back home. I hope you enjoyed this.